Hello and welcome to Big John's Thoughts on the Market for December 2016. After a brief uptick in sales activity that we saw in October, the November numbers are coming back more into line with the 2016 year trends now that we're a month into the new mortgage rules that are imposed by CMHC and the Government of Canada. When we take a look at the basic numbers that I share with you every month, we see that the absorption rate in Calgary is sitting at about 4 months worth of supply in the market, a little higher than we'd like to see it, but that's really varies depending on what particular part of the market you're dealing in. So for instance, the single family detached market is sitting at about 2.9 months worth of supply in the market. It is actually showing a good balanced market, and that's really being driven by those single family detached homes under 500,000. We're still seeing really good movement in that market and a pretty balanced marketplace there. The detached homes are also sort of seeing that they're holding their price value very well. The attached properties, we're seeing that there's about 4.8 months worth of supply in the market. That's fairly stable versus last year. It is the apartment sector that we're seeing the increase, and that's what's increased the overall Calgary number as well. The apartments are sitting at over 7 months worth of supply. It's 7.33 months worth of supply in the market. And when we take a look at the number of sales for every new listing coming into the market, you're going to see a correlation there as well. So Calgary, we're seeing about 0.62 of a sale for every new listing coming in, and that is really at the lower end of the balanced market. So again, we're seeing that it is sort of just hanging on to that balanced market status, albeit at a much lower price and fewer sales than definitely we're used to over the last 10 years. Detached homes, we're seeing 0.73 sales for every new listing. So that is a good, robust number. Attached homes, we're seeing that at about 0.54 and apartments at 0.43. So those numbers are definitely lower than we'd like to see them. And with the apartment numbers being under 0.5 of a sale for every new listing, there continues to be oversupply in that marketplace and some really good deals available as well. When we look at the total number of sales this November versus last November, we saw they were down about 3%. But again, I think that's just a balancing off versus the little bit of a uptick that we saw in October. There was a lot of people that maybe would have bought in November, but they bought in October because they wanted to take advantage of the existing mortgage rules and not have to qualify under the new mortgage rules that came into effect in the middle of October. So the October sales numbers were a bit higher, November a little bit lower. The new listings coming onto the market is down by about 9% versus a year ago. And again, that's helping keep our market in a little bit of balance. And the inventory is down about 6.5% versus a year ago. So some of these numbers are encouraging. Again, the economy is still taking that hit. We're still suffering from very high unemployment. The unemployment numbers came in today in Calgary sitting just over 10% unemployment. So we need a little bit of that turnaround in the economy, get some jobs going. And as soon as that happens, I think our market is going to be poised for a very nice comeback. Right now, we're sort of bouncing along the bottom and looking for 2017 to be a little bit better. It's not going to be, I don't think a gangbuster year, but it is going to be a bit better than 2016. So if you are looking at getting into the market, investing in real estate, moving up, maybe moving into a larger home, definitely now and right at the beginning of 2017 is going to be your best opportunity to do that. My team and I would love an opportunity to talk to you about any real estate plans you have over the next 12 to 24 months. We're here available. Also, if we don't talk to you in person beforehand, have a very Merry Christmas, a safe and happy New Year. And remember, we're here to answer all of your meet all of your real estate goals and answer your real estate questions. Have a great day.